Here are some easy stretches you can get started on if your foot is bothersome. So what we're going to do first is stretch the calves. There's two calf muscles. One goes from the knee to the ankle, and the other one just goes to the ankle itself. So we'll stretch them in two different ways. So what you'll do is stand up and then find a wall or your desk or a kitchen countertop and put your hands up against that and take one full step back. Now you want to make sure that your toes are square towards the wall, so don't let them turn out. So you want to make sure that you keep your foot pulled in and lined up to about 12 o'clock. From there, you're going to push your knee nice and straight and then bend the front knee until you feel a stretch. You'll hold that for about 30 seconds and then back off. And then do it again, keeping your knee nice and straight in the back, bend the front knee, lean into the stretch, and hold that for a count of 30 seconds. From there, you're going to drop the knee down. This just gets the second calf muscle that doesn't go behind the knee. It starts at the bottom of the knee. And then come back up, and again drop the back knee down for a stretch, and then come back up. After you've stretched out your calf muscle, you can work the tissues at the bottom of the foot. Now, oftentimes the plantar fascia at the bottom of the foot is irritated or tight. So what you can do here is cross your legs like so, or if you can't cross your legs, you can just bend over and try to reach or get a hold of your foot somehow. You can pull your foot back, exposing the tissues here, and you want to feel for along the middle part of the foot and feel for any kind of tight or bumpy or tender spots. You're just going to press and kind of wiggle your thumb back and forth over those points there. So going along between the bottom of the big toe and the heel, finding any tight spots and wiggling back and forth. Now the pressure and the friction here should be uncomfortable but not painful, so if it hurts, back off. So you can go up and down the length of your foot like this for just a couple minutes. And then from there, what you'll also want to do is to stretch the top of the foot and this side of the shin. The muscles here will get short and pull the foot up and strain the fascia at the bottom of the foot. So we do need to stretch the top part of the foot. So grab your toes, pull them into the bent position as much as you can, like you're making a fist with your toes, and then you're going to pull the ankle down as far as you can. Again, you want to feel a strong stretch, but not pain. And you'll hold that for about 30 seconds, and then let it go, and then pull it down and in again. So another nice tip or trick for foot pain is to use a tennis ball, and you can place it on the floor and get your foot up on there and roll it around for a nice massage. Frozen water bottles feel really good also, so if you just keep a water bottle in your freezer and freeze it, you can roll your foot on there like that if it's really painful and you want to numb it out or sore. Also, another reason people often have foot pain is because it's actually coming from the low back where you have a pinched nerve. It's that sciatic nerve. So you can also try doing a nerve glide to help your foot pain. So what we do here is we tighten up the nerve into a stretch and then back off immediately. So to do the nerve glide for the sciatic glide, you're going to put your hands behind your back and sit up tall. And then you'll straighten and kick out your leg and flex your foot as much as you can without causing any pain. And you're going to back off immediately. So you're going to straighten your knee, flex your foot, touch any stretch, and then back off right away. Flex your knee, flex your foot, and then back off right away. And just keep going back and forth there about 10 or 15 times. And if you want to give your nerve a little bit more of a stretch, you get your head involved in it. So your head goes down when your leg goes down, your head goes up when your foot goes up. Head down, head up, foot up. And again, you go back and forth about 10 to 15 times. I hope you enjoy these and they feel good for you.